Hello students, welcome again to your SST class, and today we will start from waterways. That is the second type of our transport. So let's start. The earliest means of water transport, rafts and boats. In the early days, when people started to travel in the water bodies, they used rafts and boats. It means they made rafts and boats to carry things from one place to another and to carry people from one place to another in the water bodies. And with the passage of time, nowadays we are watching a great development of water transport, and there are many reasons those are responsible for the development of water transport. The progress of civilization around river banks. When people started to live on the banks of river, they demanded a lot for the better means of water transport, and in this way their demands played a vital role in the progress of water transport. The water transport play also underwent a revolution with the discovery of the steam engine, and like other transport and industrial areas, transport was also affected by the invention of steam engine, those that was done by James Watt. And after this invention in the water transport, also a great revolution, means many types of ships are made. Role of ships in the world trade. Though slower than some other means of transport, ships play an important role in trade and commerce between countries. Heavy cargoes like raw materials, mineral ores, and food grains are carried by ships that sail on the oceans and seas to different parts of the world. As we all know that ships are slower than our fastest means like our trains and aeroplanes, but still they are doing a lot for the world trade, for the trade and commerce between the different countries of the world, and they are providing heavy materials and food grains etc with the help of oceans and seas to the different parts of the world. And nowadays we are watching that many efficient ships are provided for the facility of people to travel the long distances of water and to carry heavy things from one place to another. Oil tankers, there are many ships those are used to carry oil, so these type of ships are called oil tankers. International waterways, the Suez Canal links the Mediterranean Sea with the Red Sea, while the Panama Canal connects the Pacific Ocean with the Atlantic Ocean. Means these two canals, Suez Canal and Panama Canal, are connecting. Means Suez Canal is linking Mediterranean Sea with the Red Sea, and the Panama is connecting Pacific Ocean with the Atlantic Ocean. So there is no doubt that these two canals have reduced traveling time considerably. So with the help of these two canals, these two ways, the traveling time of ships has been decreased. So these waterways are very helpful for international transportation of water. Indian waterways. In India, the river Ganga and Brahmaputra are used as inland waterways for carrying goods and people. In our country, within our country, with to connect with the different states with the help of water bodies, Ganga and Brahmaputra are playing a vital role to make a trade and link between the different states of the country. India has a long coastline of 7,516.6 kilometer. Means coastline means the area that is located at the edges of the water bodies, and India has a long coastline of 7,516 and 6 point kilometer. The major seaports of India are Mumbai, Chennai, Kochi, Kolkata and Visakhapatnam, which are well connected to the rest of the world. Means to connect the water bodies of our country to the world, these ports are used to travel and to do trade with the different countries of the world with the help of water bodies. And like these type of ships are provided nowadays for the facility of the people, and people are enjoying these type of different facilities, and the ships are providing comfort during the travel to the people. Airways, now we will discuss airways. Like we all know that these are the fastest means of transport. The fastest means of transport is the air transport, but it is also the most expensive. Expensive means costly. It means the travel of airway is very fast, but still it is very costly. Airways are free from the physical barriers such as mountain ranges, riverside and forest. Means these type of barriers means रुकावटें, जो माउंटेन्स हैं, रिवर्स हैं, फॉरेस्ट हैं, वो एयरवेज में कभी भी रुकावटें नहीं बनती. Development of air transport. First, man tried to fly with the help of balloons. In the starting, man started to fly in the sky with the help of balloons. Means they started to use paragliding, parachutes, and after the invention of aeroplane, means there was a great contribution of Wright brothers to the transport system. Orville and Wilbur were two American brothers who are called Wright brothers, and they gave a great contribution to our transport area, and they made aeroplane. First time they made an aeroplane, so it was a great contribution for them from them. Today supersonic jets travel faster than the speed of sound, and nowadays we are using supersonic jets, means those are fast than the speed of sound also. Connection of the world. Millions of people travel to different parts of the world every day. All the countries of the world and the major cities are linked by air. Means there is a connection between the whole parts of the world with the help of air. Means with the help of air, all of the countries, all of the areas of the world are connected to each other. Means we can reach at any part of the world with the help of aeroplanes and with the help of air. International airports. There are many major and famous international airports, like many big cities in the world like London, Paris, Moscow, New York, New Delhi, etc. have large international airports. So in these major cities, many famous and well furnished international airports. Capacity of aeroplane. Aeroplane can carry more than 500 passengers and a huge amount of cargo at a time. They fly with the speed of 800 km per hour. Means aeroplanes have a great speed, and they are helpful in carrying many people. Like they can carry above than 500 people at a time. So they can carry a heavy cargo, heavy materials from one place to another. Indian Airlines. Our country India has also an efficient airline is Air India, and also there are many other airlines like destinations in all countries. Means we have many airlines, those have destinations. Means the destination means the places where we want to reach, where we can reach. Means Indian Airlines have destination in the all countries of the world. India's major international airline is Air India, and airline is the best and famous airline of our country India among the other airlines. Several private and domestic airlines operate within the country, and there are many other airlines. Those are used in our country and also at the international level. So those are operating within country and with the countries of the world.